Hello my friends, today I am going to talk about my new Metalhobi Hitachi 225, also known as Passionis Excavator. Now I am going to talk about how you get the movements with mix. Okay, first I click the menu, then I click the Hitachi. The 4 here, the 5 and 6 for chains, leg upper, leg down, crane left, right. This one is arm, this one is bucket, this one is arm, bucket on off, and the chains. Okay, 5 and 6 left and right chains. I made mix and I can use the left and right chains with the same stick, leg and bucket with this small shelter. If it is upper position, it works for the chains. Okay, when I put it lower position, also this one work for the leg and bucket. Okay, it's the first mix. Then the second mix about hydraulic. Whenever I use hydraulic functions, hydraulic pump works. I made it another mix with this one, SF function. Also I use SF function to use the chain stuff I am going to talk about later. Let me show the other mixes page. Here you go. Now channel 5. Okay, channel 5 is the when I put this position is the T1, left and right. Here you go. Let me click on the channel 5 edit. It's going to work with the channel 6. Okay, when it's left and right, so I change the weight of the channel 6. When I put it this side, one of them works forward, one of them works rear. Okay, when I put the like that, it goes to left side. When I do this like that, it goes to right side, right front, same as the rear. Okay, channel 5 exit. All same logic. The channel 6, you see the mix, same. Okay, -100, curve expose 0, switch SF. I put the same switch with the hydraulic. It depends on you, it doesn't matter. When I move forward the stick, all chains go forward. When I move it rear, all goes to rear. That's it. Channel 7, 8, 9, all functions. Now channel 11 is hydraulic functions. Okay, you saw the 5 different hydraulic functions. You may add more, 7 something else. Almost all same logic. When you put the SF down, as you see, the functions start working. It is hydraulic mix. Okay, let me show you. It's work with the elevation. Okay, I changed the offset because all hydraulic functions when get together, if you don't change it, doesn't work. Curve custom CV2, why custom? Because I made a logarithmic curve. I want to soft start on the hydraulic functions to make some small jobs. Okay, as you see, switch same, exit. Let me show you one another. By the way, all same, just there's a bit different. For example, you may put offset not 80, 70 or 90, all depends on you. You should check what's happening from board. Let me exit, all exit, page, okay. Now it's open. Okay, so I'm pushing it, but as you've seen, it's going 40. full 40. Now I'm changing this one. Nope. Let me change my hand. I put 2 function. Show it. Use 100. Okay. Both almost 100 and the hydraulic pump work 100. It's important. You have to check it for different models. Okay. On the single way, it's go 44 something. You go 2-way 100. This is important. If you do not change the weight, you cannot get the 100% curve. Okay. This one is different machine. My truck loader scale art. Okay. But it's different excavator like that. It's more sensitive than the truck loader. So the curve have to be like that. Let me show you. The Y point and 6 points. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.